Ever harbored dreams of owning a high-performance gaming PC, but shied away due to the exorbitant costs involved? Today, we're going to dispel the myth that a top-tier gaming PC has to break the bank. We'll take you through a simple, step-by-step process to build your own gaming rig. And yes, we're doing it on a budget. Picture yourself immersed in a high-definition, fast-paced gaming universe, all powered by a machine that you've built with your own hands. It's not just about saving money, it's about creating something unique, something that perfectly reflects your gaming preferences and style. First things first, the heart of your gaming PC, the processor. This is where you don't want to skimp. But fear not, there are cost-effective options out there that provide great performance. Look for processors that offer the best balance between price and performance. Next up, the motherboard. This is the backbone of your PC, so compatibility with your processor is key. While there are many expensive options, a mid-range motherboard can often do the job just as well. Now let's talk about memory. For gaming, 8 GB is the bare minimum, but 16 GB will give you some future-proofing. Remember, it's not just about quantity, but also the speed of the RAM. Storage is next on the list. A solid-state drive, or SSD, can give your PC a significant speed boost. Consider a smaller SSD for your operating system and games, and a larger, inexpensive hard drive for other files. The graphics card is where many people feel the pinch. While the latest and greatest cards can be pricey, there are plenty of previous generation cards that offer great performance for less. Don't forget the power supply. It's not the most glamorous part, but a reliable power supply protects your investment. Look for an 80+ certification for efficiency. Finally, the PC case. This is where you can really save some money. There are many budget-friendly cases that still offer great airflow and aesthetics. Now the fun part, assembling your gaming PC. Start with installing the processor, then the RAM, and then the motherboard into the case. Install the power supply, then the storage drives, and finally the graphics card. Connect all the cables and voila, you've built your own gaming PC. To summarize, building a high-performance gaming PC on a budget is not only possible, it's also a fun and rewarding project. Choose your parts wisely, focus on what's essential for your gaming needs, and remember that with a little patience and effort, you can build a machine that delivers an incredible gaming experience without emptying your wallet. So why wait? Start planning your dream gaming PC today. Remember, the gaming world waits for no one. Dive in and game on.